Assalamualaikum. We are from group 5, and in this video we will be presenting about our Arduino project, which is smart home automation. So without further ado, I will be introduce you to our team members. So this is our team members, which consists of Faiz Arham, Andi Farisli, Lukman Hakim, Nurul Jamina, and lastly me, Ahmad Sharif Ilham. So before we go deeper into the circuit and whatnot, I will be enlighten you with the introduction of a smart home. So what is a smart home? A smart home is a house equipped with connected devices that can be controlled remotely and automate tasks. Next, why do people need a smart home? The purpose of a smart home is to enhance convenience, security, energy efficiency, and accessibility in their living environment. After that, who is the smart home for? A smart home is designed for homeowners or occupants who wish to enjoy the benefits of advanced automation, convenience, and control over their living environment. Then, when do people need a smart home? The answer is anytime, because a smart home can assist your daily routine. And lastly, where can a smart home be installed? It can be implemented in every type of house. For example, my house, your neighbor's house, my cat's house. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Lukman Hakim, and let's move on to the next part, which is the background study. What is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. How does Arduino works? Arduino consists of both physical and programmable circuit boards and a piece of software. The circuit board, where we always refer to it as a microcontroller, and the software or IDE, where we use it to write our coding and transfer it from computer to physical board. Next, why we decide to use Arduino? Because Arduino offers a solid foundation of DIY alternative where it is cheap, easy to access, makes it accessible to individuals, small businesses, and educational institutions with a limited budget.
Hi, I'm Nura Shamina. So I will proceed with problem statement. So for problem statement, first is accessibility. We need to switch button by ourselves to on or off any utilities at home such as fan, lights, and so on. Next is safety. We need to open gate by ourselves and it's actually exposed to danger like robbery. Third is wasteness. If we forget to switch off the light or fan at home, it will affect the breeze. Next is weariness. Like Raya holiday session, we willing to go back home if we forget to check whether if we are already turn on or turn off the light or fan. Lastly is the illness. If we had fever or illness that no one can take care of us, we need to wake up by ourselves to switch off the light or fan at home, and it's poor to them. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, for the objectives, first we want to establish a relationship between Arduino and mobile via serial connection to offer user-friendly control system to monitor and manage household appliances in a convenient, efficient, and secure manner, and lastly to improve the user's home function.
Moving on to the next part, which is the costing. Okay, since Arduino is accessible, easy to get, and it is quite cheap, so this is our bill of material and the list of price. As you can see here, the most expensive item in here is the Arduino Uno board, as we all expected, and it is the most important part of the component, where we use it as a medium to transfer the coding from computer to the physical board, which is the Arduino board itself. and then the important part is the breadboard, and then wire, of course, battery. We have also relay module, and also we have Bluetooth module, since we use our own app to transfer from mobile to the Arduino board itself.
Now, let's examine the home automation circuit we have in place. We have incorporated several components into the setup, including an Arduino, an LED, a fan, a servo motor, a resistor, a Bluetooth module, a relay, a 1.5 battery, and this motor. The connection have been arranged according to the visual representation displayed in the photo. This configuration enables 3 inputs and 3 outputs, facilitating the functionality of the home automation system. This code appears to be a combination of controlling an LED, a fan, a servo motor, using an Arduino, and a Bluetooth module. Let's discuss its functionality and operation. The code begins by including the necessary libraries, namely software serial and servo. Software serial is used to establish a software-based serial communication with the Bluetooth module, while servo is used for controlling the servo motor. In the setup function, the pin codes for the LED and the fan are set as output using pin mode. The servo is attached to pin 9 using my servo attached in bracket 9. The serial communication is initiated with a baud rate 9600 for both the Arduino series monitor and the Bluetooth module. In the loop function, the code checks if there is any data available for the Bluetooth module. If there is incoming data, it reads a CD character using btserial.read and stores it in the command variable. Based on the received command, the code performs different actions. If the command is add, it turns on the LED. Command Y, it turns off the LED. Command K, it turns on the fan. Command L, it turns off the fan. If the command is A, it rotates the servo to 0 degrees. B, it rotates to the servo to 45 degrees. And last command is C, it rotates the servo to 90 degrees. After executing the appropriate action based on the received command, the code introduces a delay of 1 second using delay in bracket 1000 before looping again to check for new incoming data. For your information, we apply MIT app to complete our home automation. These are the coding blocks to set up the Bluetooth connection and the interface of the app on the right side. Each button are assigned to LED, fan, and the gate.
Hi, I will proceed with discussion. Arduino is designing automation system that economical and easy to use. They also have some pros of smart home system. First, all of our house gadgets can be managed by one central location. All of our house equipment can be integrated with a single interface using the Arduino. Second, enhancing home security. The security and surveillance functions are integrated in our smart home network. Our home security may be increased. And lastly, it will reduce the wasteness. The utilities bill will minimize if we forget to switch off the fan or lights in
So, for the conclusion, all of our objectives are met. A relationship between Arduino and mobile were established. The controls are user-friendly, and household appliances can be controlled conveniently and efficiently. From the perspective of knowledge, we learn a lot of things, such as hardware and the software of Arduino. That's all from us. Now let's look at the time lapse and our demo videos for our product.